Good morning, everybody. This is Joseph Cusick, Vice President of Asset and Wealth Management at MoneyBlock.com with your Traders Exclusive for Friday. Well, short-term breadth continues to be mixed. We have the S&Ps waffling around basically break even, and but the overall downtrend that we've seen over the last week or so, with lower lows and lower highs, continues. So we're going to keep an eye on that into today's close. Taking a look at the tech sector. It's formed a lower low, and it has a falling channel from a technical perspective. We're going to watch that lower end of the channel, see if it's broken into the close of today. The small caps remain relatively weak, and that is putting how strong the domestic economy is here in the U.S. It's in a short-term downtrend, and we're going to keep a close eye on the small caps because that's going to give us a little bit of a temperature on how the Fed is going to be reacting going into September. Now, looking at bonds, they continue to remain in an uptrend. They're under a little pressure today, but we're going to see if that uptrend continues, especially with the uncertainty in the marketplace that's starting to arise. We're looking at the buck, the U.S. dollar. It broke support, and it has reversed its short-term uptrend. The currencies across the globe have been on the upside, which has put pressure on the dollar. And looking at oil. Now, oil has tried to come off its new lows and actually set new lows today. It's bounced off of that. We're going to keep an eye on that because the trend in oil has been to the downside. There are a lot of forecasts all over the map, but it's not showing up in the pumps. And the pumps, specifically in refined gas, you're looking at gas prices basically here in Chicago, still in that 360 range because we have refinery issues. That is going to put pressure on the consumers. And the reason why I'm bringing up consumers is that the consumer segment, along with financials, has been the leaders as well as the backbone of the continued ability for the bears to stand up to whatever the bears have been putting at them over the last couple of weeks. We're going to keep an eye on this to see if the pressure on the pocketbook is going to start to concern consumers, especially if gas prices don't start to pull back. Energy continues to lag. We're going to keep an eye on that. Well, that's it for today, Friday, with your Traders Exclusive. This is Joe Cusick, Vice President of Asset and Wealth Management at MoneyBlock.com and TradingBlock.com, wishing you a great weekend.